Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will solve a very simple and fast question. Can you solve this in 10 seconds? And the question is 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 1. What will be the answer? But before, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this and become a math master. Many think answer will be 0. I don't know why they think, but they think like I have read in comments. So first, in this method, we will follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. What do you think? Which comes first? As we know, multiplication comes first. Okay, before addition and subtraction. So we will solve from here, and 1 into 0, that will become 0. So answer question will become 1 0 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 will be the right answer. Subscribe for more videos like this.